Okay, in this video, we're going to take a look at an exponential growth type of problem. We are going to use our Pert formula, which is basically just we have a starting population here. Pert is then e raised to the RT, rate times time, and then that gives you the ending amount of that population. All right, so we're going to use that as our basis to do this problem. Okay, a bacteria culture starts with 1,000 bacteria, and the growth rate is proportional to the number of bacteria. After 2 hours, the population is 9,000. Find an expression for the number of bacteria after T hours. All right, every time you do one of these, you've got basically two different steps you have to do. You need to find the actual rate at which this particular bacteria grows, and then you've got to answer the question, which is find the expression. So my step one is going to be to find the rate of this particular bacteria. So I'm going to use that Pert formula. All right, we started at 1,000 bacteria. All right, we ended at 9,000. Okay, then I'm going to have an E raised to the amount of time that passed was 2 hours. I'm trying to find the rate, so that'll remain my R, so 2R. Okay, then I'm going to just solve this equation for R. It's going to be an exponential equation. I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 1,000. Then I'm going to be down to 9 equals E raised to the 2R. From there, since it's an exponential equation and you're trying to solve for that R in the exponent spot, you're going to take the natural log of both sides. So natural log of 9 is equal to natural log of E raised to the 2R. All right, hopefully you've got log properties memorized that you know the natural log of E raised to any exponent is going to be equal to that exponent. If not, you could use properties of logarithms that says we're allowed to take this 2R and bring it down in front of that natural log of E. All right, natural log of E being 1, so then 1 times 2R is going to be that 2R. So in the next step, we're going to have a natural log of 9 is equal to a 2R. I want to solve all the way down for R, so I'm going to have natural log of a 9 over 2 is equal to R. And I'm not going to turn that into a decimal. All right, we don't want to round in the middle of the problem. This would be a decimal that would go on. And so we don't want to round that and then use it in this expression. That is the exact answer for my rate. So when I write my expression, I'm going to put it in function notation. We'll just call the function P for population. So over given T here, P of T, we have to, again, follow this Pert formula. So where did it start? It started with 1,000 bacteria. All right, E, and then now I'm going to replace the rate with what I know it to be equal to. So natural log of 9 over 2 over 2, and then multiply that by the time. All right, this is an expression that would give the number of bacteria after T hours. So a pretty straightforward exponential growth type of problem. All right, almost every exponential growth problem consists of like about 2 steps. You've got to find that rate first and then answer the question. The second part of answering the question could be more difficult or more challenging than this, just depending on what that question actually asks. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.